Okay, this is a 2GB Eagle Talon TSI all-wheel drive 5-speed car. We completely restored the car. Had major rot and rust throughout the strut towers, the rockers, the wheel wells. We completely redid the entire car. Original color we did a full interior, complete drivetrain, built motor, FP turbo, all supporting mods. It's tuned on ecmlink. Right now we were just putting on a new D2 coilover suspension, a few other suspension parts, control arms, ball joints. We have the car stripped down to nothing, and we did literally everything on the car. So everyone continues to tell me to make a few videos, post them online. I rarely do, only for the fact of how much we got going on here all the time. We have been doing these cars for this year now. It's 2022. We've been doing them for 22 years. So maybe I'll consider starting to make some videos and document the process that each car here goes through. I'm not sure yet. It's tough because when you take videos and post them on the internet, it's always 50-50. Some people enjoy them, and other people have nothing but negative things to say. So we'll see what happens there.